it's time.
It's just us and my glizzy, what I trust. You say you gon' hold me down, but baby that ain't enough. I know you out looking for love, but I was just trying to fuck.
Alright, so what's good YouTube? We're back in another video, but we can jump straight into it. As y'all see by thumbnail title, we is putting in Starlight into my headliner. So this is 300 Starlight, as you can see. The needles are actually kind of small compared to my last ones that I did, but I also have this that I'm gonna be putting into my headliner as well. I got it flipped like this so I can put it down and then do them like this, even though I can't really see them, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. And then also we have these where we're gonna use the poke into the thing, and then some tape to fix the Starlights, because I've done two other cars, my car and then a friend's car, so I know how to do them, but I know they do get messy. So we're just gonna hop straight into the video. I'm putting them into my BMW M850i, which this headliner seems hard as fuck to take out. I'm not gonna lie, because the car is so small, but we'll figure it out, y'all. So y'all boys, just stay tuned, watch the full video. Make sure you hit that like button, and yeah, we're gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna actually show you how to take the headliner out as well, so if y'all want to see that, y'all just stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I have my tools here. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove this right here. Let me get a flashlight. I'm gonna remove this right here because I didn't look any videos, I couldn't find any, so I'm just gonna base it off what I know from like my previous cars that I did. So I'm remove this right here by picking that with a flathead. I'm sure there's one over here as well. Yep, so both of these, as y'all can see, I removed that, and it's most likely a T15 or something back there, so let me do that real quick. Yeah, alright y'all, so I couldn't get that out. I'm gonna first get this out right here, which is just popping this out. Let me see if I can do it on camera with one hand. You just get back there and you pop it out like so, and then it is a star back there, so it might be a T20. I ain't started my damn car. Alright y'all, so this screw was a T25. Just pop that out, and then you can go ahead and unscrew it like so. And then I'm putting all of my screws inside of this box right here. So if you guys have anything small, you guys can just throw them in there. I would do that so you don't lose them. Alright, so guys, I'm not putting them in this box anymore. I'm putting them inside of this because it just has zippers on it. It'll be less, it'll be easier to keep them like all together without losing them, because that box almost fell and I did not want to fall. So yeah, I'm just updating y'all. I suggest y'all get something with a zipper on it, maybe like a book bag or just like a bag, and then you can throw them all in there. That just will help me out. Alright, so now we're on the opposite side. I didn't show y'all, but after you take the bolt out, you just wiggle it up and out. But I'm gonna show y'all over here. Just like so. Alright, so next, this right here has a black circle over it, like this one. What you would get is just a small, I have my little pick thing, and you would just pick it in there and it'll fall out, so make sure you guys catch it But after that, it looks like the same size T25 that we took the pillars out with. Yep, so it's the same one. You just, let me see if I, oh yep, I got a good angle. You'll just twist it out, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm gonna get back up to y'all once I get this one and the other side out. Which here's the bolt for it. After this one as well, you have to take out this one, which this just pulls out like so, and then you will undo this. But you have to take this out first. So I'm about to take that out, which I just think you just do the same process like I was doing, but just push it hard. So yeah, let me get this one out, and I'm gonna get right back up with y'all. Alright, you guys, so I finally got this one out. So this is the headliner area. Well, not headliner, but this is the visor area, which I just stuck my flathead behind it and kept pushing it deep and like wiggling down. And then now that you see it's out, so it just pops right out. I'm gonna show y'all the other side, but after you do that, might be a bolt in here. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the other side, so it won't be as hard for y'all to do. All right, you guys, so after you do get that one out, this one, you have to get you some of these so you can squeeze this clip in here. I'm gonna show you guys. So you have to squeeze those two together, and then you'll be able to pull this whole thing out. So let me show you that real quick. Just like that. Just squeezing and pull, and I'm guessing to put it back in, you would just squeeze it again and then push it right back up in there. But now we're gonna go to the other side, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get that black clip that you will push out of here, this one right here, out. So I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. All right, guys, so you can see I find it easier to use the flathead. You would just put it right back in there, push it in, and just like that. It's that easy. It seemed hard at first, the first time I was doing it, but once you do your first one, you should have it down easy. And then I'll just put it in there with everything else. But here's that dot I was showing you guys as well, what I was telling you guys about. Just get you a small pick like so, and then put it in there and just pick at it, and it'll come out like that. If you push it hard, it'll just fly, but if you do that, then you'll be able to just grab it out like I just did. Then there's the T25. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to you guys on the next step. I'm gonna take this one out because I already showed you this on the other side. All right, so now I'm taking off this dome light, which it just seems like it is a snap down for the first part. Maybe a few clips. It's coming off. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do it. Okay, guys, for this top has 2 screws in here. You guys can see them. There are 2 screws, so I'm gonna take this cap off. You can see that it is take offable. So I'm gonna try to squeeze something in there, and then take it off like this, and then get those screws off right here. Those 2 screws before we move on to the next part. Okay, guys, so now I took those 2 screws out, It's two small T10s right here and right here. Now I'm going to try to just pry it down, because I'm thinking that's all that's next. I don't see any more screws. Well, I can't figure that one out, so guys, we're just gonna move to the next. So I'm about to get the mirror out, which is, if you guys can see, there's a separation right in the middle. I'm gonna try to like put my tool in there and then move it left and right, because I think that'll knock it out of place. So I might do that now. Put the camera down. Alright, y'all, so we just took that out, the back one, which I told you it was just two clips. They are right here. Well, you can't really tell, but it was just two clips. You would just put something in between and pull it apart. Y'all, it is getting late, so I won't show you guys too much more of how I'm taking it out, but I will explain as I go, because I'm trying to get it done. I still might be able to get it done tonight. I just have to get the whole headliner out, which is the hard part, you guys. So because there's no videos that will show you guys how to do it, but I'm gonna get back to y'all here in a little bit. I'm sitting here trying to figure it out now, but we're getting close to it. So we have this out now, which after you take those two screws out that I showed you, let me turn these lights off. After you take those two screws out I showed you, just get your hand behind here. I did it from the top part and just pull. Like, you have to pull with some force. You might feel like you about to break it, but you're not. You'll be good. And then now it looks like it is a few wires. I unplugged one of them, which is sorry guys, I don't have a headlamp, so I do this like this, which is this wire right here. My pinky finger is on, and this one was in this back here. So I just unplugged that one, and that one looks like it is connected to something right here. So after you unplug that, you probably have to I'm taking this off. So what I'm going to do is probably just take these, so I don't have to remove any of those wires. So I'm about to do that now. Got this off finally. These wires that were connected to it, I'm gonna show you guys. So on them, once they're plugged in, they do have this right here. If you look closely, it is like a lever. You just pull it this way and then you can pull it out, and that's for the black one and the gray one. It's just on the right side most likely, like that. You just pull it and then you can pull it out. Alright y'all, so after you guys do get that out, it is, and I'm about to just look up because I like the car. Shut up, Nate. Alright, so after you guys do get that out, you have this, looks like a freaking trash bar up here, but it has this rivet. Can you guys see? This one right here and then this one right here. They are in there, so you have to pull it down hard with some force, and then you'll be able to get those out. So now I have the front all unloose, as you guys can see. I showed you guys how to do it. Now I have two emergency call system malfunction, and now I have to get the back, which is going to be the tricky part because I'm not sure what to do, but I'll get back to you guys here in a little bit. All right, so I just took this middle right here out, with here is the piece. All it is about 6 clips, it looks like 4 or 6, and you just pull on it. It wasn't hard to get off. Now it looks like we may have a few wires hooked up to something on the headliner, which I'm not sure yet. And then also, remove the airbag and unscrew these a little bit. These are the back pillars, which I can't really see. Which I think I can just slide right out, which I'm gonna try. Do it one hand. Can't get it. But I did both sides. You can see this one, it said airbag. What the fuck was that? It said airbag, but I took it off. And also I got my damn seats down. Because there's no room in this car, y'all. But yeah, so I got that off. Now I feel like it is just the headliner held up to some clips, so I'm gonna put the camera down so I can. Oh wait, also the freak. Also, here is this pillar, which I think I could just pull and get over the seatbelt thing. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to you guys once I figure something out. Alright, you guys, so I have to hold headliner down. It is just holding up by these seats. So that pillar, well, these right here, I just
it's just us and my glizzy, what I trust. You say you gon' hold me down, but baby, that ain't enough.
Settling, and it's like I'm booted up, and now I'm in my element. Bringing up my past like that shit even closer relevant. Get that shit in between me and you, or you gon' trip without knowing.